Hey you. Thank you again. It's your boy, Edu Ada. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Today we talk about square root of numbers. We spoke about square root of numbers initially. So now we'll be going into percentages. We'll be going into percentages. And under these percentages, we'll be treating a couple of questions, which are these. Quickly, let's start off. If we have percentage, we have a that's symbol of percentage. This, I mean, is a symbol of percentage. So if you have a percent, that implies I have a upon 100. But if you are told to express something as a percentage of the other one, there are different areas of percentages. So let's just treat some of the questions we have to have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Now, the first one says express the following decimal numbers as percentages. When you are representing anything as a percentage, anything, all you do is multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Even if you are representing a number in percentage as a percentage, you still multiply by 100. What I mean by that is this. If I tell you express this as a percentage, this is already 8% as a percentage. It's already in percentage though, but just multiply this, you have 100, you have this, so your answer is still 8%. Do you see that? Good. So take it a breather, a bit further. We go to question one. Question says express the following decimal numbers as percentages. There are different ways you can go about this. Some will decide to change the decimal number to a fraction, and some will multiply by hundreds. What you are doing is this actually. Question 1, 0.425 to percentage will be times 100. Do you get that? So there are different ways you go about it. You can multiply by 100 right away. Then you have left to me. I can check multiplication by 100. It also means counting forward. 1, 2. So this is where your decimal will be. That will be 42.5. If you go the other way around, you change this question to you change this to fraction. Like I said, when you are changing the fraction, when you were converting decimal to fraction, I mentioned that. Consider the last digit, which is 5. What's the place value of 5? It is 1000. So you have this to be 425 upon 1000. Then to percentage, like say whenever you change times 100, these two will go. You have 425 divided by 10 left. So 425 upon 10. And that will be what? Just division, move backward once. That's 42.5. The next one, which is 2, 0.05. That will be times 100. And that is just simply means 1, 2. That, don't forget, please put this in your solution. This becomes 5%. This should carry percentage. Yes. If you are representing any number in percentage, it must carry percentage when you are done. So you have this. You want to go this other way. Look at this. This way you have 0.05, and that is just 5 upon 100 times the percentage 100. This cancel this. So the answer is 5%. Let's solve question 2. Question 2 says question 2 says find the value of y when y divided by half is equal to 64%. Write this mathematically. You have y means y divided by half is equal to 64%, which means 64 over 100. Yes, and that will be equal to what? This y means y upon 1. So you have y upon 1 times, change your division to multiplication, the fraction somersaults this, and that is equal to what? 64 upon 100. Multiply your numerators, so you have 2y over 1 is equal to 64 upon 100. Multiplying both sides by the LCM, which is 100 here, instead of cross multiplying. If you choose to cross multiply, you go get the same answer. But to be more organized, yes, and more formal, you multiply both sides by the LCM, which is 100. Then you have 100 times 2y can be equal to 100 times 64 upon 100. This go with this. This become 200 y is equal to 64. Dividing both sides by 200 because you are looking for y, and 200 is the coefficient of y. This cancel out this. So y can be equal to 64 upon 200. You break this down. 4 here is 16. Upon 4 here is what? 50. See that? Something will break this down again. 2 here, 8, 2 here, 25. So your y is equal to 8 upon 25. That's what y will be equal to. So the next question, which I will just explain, the knowledge of what I said now will help out. What percentage of 1 1/4 are? This should be R, not R's. Okay. What percentage of 1 1/4 hours is 45 minutes? All you have to do, just like in ratio or in fractional form, you represent this in fractional form. So let me just let's go with this together. Let's go with this together. So you're going to be having yes, go together. So here This is solution to 3. This means 1 whole number 1 over 4 hours to 45 minutes. That's a fraction, that's a representation of 1 1 and a quarter hour to 45 minutes, but they said in percentage, then you multiply by 100. So you should know, you change this to minutes, a lower unit. Yes, a lower time unit. So both of them can be in the same unit. Then that's all. You can finish it up by yourself. I'm supposed to leave a question with you to solve it. So finish it. I'll see you again. If you have any question, make use of the comments box. Recommendation, upload. Please ensure you subscribe and like my videos. For more enquiries, you can reach me on this line. It's 164869470. Thank you, thank you, thank you.